I'm gonna get started. So for primer, I am going to be using this primer right here. I'll be applying this all over my face. Oh, it's soft. It smells good too. Using these two foundations right here. This one is by NARS and this one is by LA Girl. This foundation, it's so dark, so I'm going to be mixing it with this lighter shade right here. Put some on my hand. I'm gonna mix these two together. That way. I don't know, but I have this thing where I like to mix my foundations. I don't know why, just do. By the way, excuse my eyelashes. So I got them done a couple weeks ago and I actually haven't got a filled, so I'm just going to let it be, and hopefully it falls out by themselves. So yeah, that's why my eyelashes are all crazy and missing. So don't worry about that. So for concealer, I'll be using this one right here. This one is by Decay. Oh my gosh, it feels so good doing my makeup, to be honest. I haven't done my makeup in like a while. Well, I usually just do like my face. I don't really like do eyeshadow because it's time consuming. But so yeah, today I'm just going to do a full face, which I'm excited. But to be honest, I don't even know like what kind of like eyeshadows I want to use, but we'll figure that out. So to set my entire face, I'm going to be using this translucent powder. This one is by Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier. I can't really pronounce the name, but whatever. Anyways. Okay, my favorite part, bronzer. I'll be using this palette right here. This one is by Ace Beauty. I have never heard about this brand. I don't know, maybe I have, I don't know, but anyways, my mother-in-law gave me this, so I already tried it and it works amazing. These bronzers are actually pretty pigmented, so yeah, this is one of my go-to, so let's try it out. Excited to use this palette right here. This one is by Morphe. This one is a 39S palette. Like, this is big, but I actually bought it on, was it, I think it was Black Friday or Cyber Monday, I'm not sure, but I got it for $17 and oh my gosh, let me show you guys real quick. Look at this palette. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful palette, guys. It's so colorful. I love how it has all the like purples and like pinkish burgundies. Hard decision. Shoot. And this one's super cute too. I already swatched it. It's like a really nice purpley. Should I do that one? Or should I do like a smoky eye? This color right here. This is like super freaking pretty. So we're gonna use that one. First, I'm going to start with this brown one right here. It's like a really dark brown color. It's super nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my eyelids. I'm just going to be applying that on my crease. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this dark, like, I don't know, it's like brown burgundy color. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and like focus on my outer corners and on my crease. I'm just going to be applying this light, like purpley shade right here. I decided to switch the color that I was gonna use. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade right here. This is like a really nice shimmer color. This is like a purpley pinkish shimmer. I was going to use this one, but I changed my mind. I'm just gonna go with this one. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty, this shade. So I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow color that I applied in my outer corners and on my eyelids under my waterline. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this shimmer right here. It's like a gold color. And I'm just going to be applying that right in the inner corners of my eyes. These are the Eyelure Linden definition eyelashes. They look like this. These are so freaking cute. I got these at Ulta. Look how cute they are. I'm gonna try my best to apply these, so bear with me. Kind of scared. And I didn't want to add what's the thing called, eyeliner, because it was going to be super hard to do that. Oh, see guys, I can't even apply this. Oh my god. Okay, we got this. Okay. It was actually pretty tricky, like I mentioned, and I think it's because my you know, lash extensions were like on the way. So then I'm going to be using this eyeliner right here. This is just black eyeliner. This one is by NYX. I'm just going to be applying it on my waterline. I usually never do this step, but today I was feeling like it, so yeah. And the reason that I don't really like applying black eyeliner is because it makes my eyes look a little smaller, I feel like. So yeah, a lot of people do it, and that's fine. It looks super nice, but I don't really do it as much because I feel like it makes my eyes look smaller, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair real quick because I haven't done my hair in like months, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna go do something with it and then I'll be right back to finish the video. I did just a few curls on the side, nothing too crazy. So now I'm just going to be applying my lipstick. Today I'm going to be using these right here. My sister actually got it for me for Christmas. It's by MAC. So I got this lipstick. This one is in the shade Jash, I believe. Jash or something like that. So it looks like this. I love the shade. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. the lipstick. And now I'm going to be applying the lip gloss. So this combo is so freaking cute. I love it. It's a perfect nude color. So yeah guys, we came to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and you guys ended up liking this eyeshadow. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video.